Are they not the cute? Do you see? Tell me they don't scream Mexico though. They scream Mexico. They are literally like Viva la Mexico. Hey days, welcome back. Living for the city, I am Cherise, and today we are doing a get ready with me / pack with me / let's get it. We're about to go to Mexico, baby. So today we are going to pack and get ready for Mexico. Viva la Mexico! Ready? Let's go. Okay, so I am going to Mexico, as you know, because one of our girlfriends, Aida, is getting married. We're gonna go to Mexico for her destination wedding. I have no idea what I'm wearing in Mexico. So to the wedding or anything else. So I'm literally packing everything, faves, like seriously. I'm gonna bring like, I'm guessing, I don't even know what to bring, like seriously. So here's the thing, we're only gonna be there for like 4 days. One of those days is wedding, so it's like that outfit isn't gonna change, right? It is what it is. I'm just gonna bring like stuff to like obviously pool around in, right? I have this technique, which I roll clothes. You're supposed to be able to get more room in your luggage if you do that. Not sure if it's true because I always feel like I have no space. So back to what I was saying, I literally don't know what I'm wearing at all for anything, but I'm going to show you a couple of items that I did get. Hold please. My Le Tote subscription, I got this really cute little dress. This dress is $150. So obviously I got it from my Le Tote, and obviously it's going back because I'm not spending. Even on the discount it was like $130, so you know I'm not keeping this, but it is cute. The only thing is it's like one of those boxy dresses, so it's kind of boxy. And so and you know I'm already hippie, so I'm not really sure it's gonna work for me, but I figured I'd bring a belt, cinch it around my waist, and that might be cute. So I'm gonna bring this. So anyway, Aida's getting married. We're all going. So who's going? Jerry's going. Sonia and Tayuka are going. You remember Tayuka? Birthday Tayuka. Now that was my first. I might wear this outfit to the wedding. The second one is when I went to Smack Parlor. Remember I did that vlog with Aida actually. Smack Parlor. I got this really cute skirt. It is a long tulle skirt. Wait, it is way too long for me. Oh, damn. So I'm putting it up to me and it's already dragging. I mean, this skirt is really cute. Is this gonna fit me? What size is this? Oh, it's medium. Look at these cute little shoes that I got. Are they not the cute? Do you see? Tell me they don't scream Mexico though. They scream Mexico. They are literally like Viva la Mexico. So they have these cute little pom-poms. I was telling my girlfriends the pom-poms will probably stay in Mexico because by the time we're done, not sure who they're by, and Michelle. So they'll probably be, you know, one season. Maybe not, we'll see. They're really cute though. So maybe I'll wear this blue tank top under that tulle skirt with those shoes, right? So that would probably bring it all together. You know what I'm saying? Like all this works. Can you see it? Like all that works? I don't know. So anyway, the 4 of us are going. Aiva's husband has like a slew of people going. One of her co-workers is going. Shantae, who you now know from the bridal spa day vlog. As far as the shoes for that dress go, that first dress, I mean, I guess I needed like a neutral, natural color shoe. I hate packing my shoes without them being in something. I have these cute little, remember I got these from Shein, and I think I got these from Amazon, but I'm gonna bring them. They're cute and flat, and I can just throw them on my feet. And if my feet start to get sore from, you know, these shoes, I can just throw those on. But I am gonna throw these shoes in here because, especially the fact that they look so delicate with all these daggone pom-poms. I might want to keep some of the pom-poms. Cover-up pants from, where'd I get these from? Marshall's for $13. Are they not the cutest to like throw over your bathing suit? It's so much stuff going in this suitcase, y'all. Remember I got this from the thrift with me when I went thrift shopping? This cute little, I've been waiting to wear this baby. So day one is bathing suit and, here's a bathing suit and, you know, sarong or something. Then for dinner, so I need something to wear to dinner the first night, right? So I'll show you what I have. So you know the slip dresses are in. I got this cute little slip dress from my little subscription. Isn't that cute? You know, I got throw on some little flats. Go to dinner, we straight. Okay. Day, so that's, do I really, so what if I want to go to, what if we go to like a little club or something? I feel like I need to have something for that, right? Okay, hold please. Yes, ma'am, I do. Look at this. What I will wear with this is either a little, you know, bodysuit, or probably just a little black bodysuit, maybe. I don't have two black bathing suits up here, I don't know. I just want this little black bodysuit, you think? Would that work with that? And then on my feet, I'm gonna bring these to wear on my feet. We've seen these before. Shein haul. It's such a nasty day, you guys. It is raining outside so daggone bad. Gross. They want us to go to Mexico. Hey! Next. Okay, so Saturday day, we'll probably go to the pool. I got this cute bathing suit from, you saw my black one that I have, and I got this cute little one piece from, it was on clearance at Target. I got this one as well, and I thought this was really cute and sexy. The back is really pretty. I like the print of it. Also from Target. I like the sides too, the little ruched drawstring side. So that's 3 bathing suits that I put in there, right? I feel like that's good, but I'm gonna throw in one more. The resort that we are going to is in Cancun. We are going to Playa Mujeres. Secrets Playa Mujeres. That's where we're going. I'm gonna throw in like a couple tank tops. Just because. Another little tank top. I got these little biker shorts. Beyonce's coming with us. So hey B, B's coming. This is an old Beyonce. This is when she did her remember this tour? Remember this tour? Yeah. It's this little like, let me just throw this on real quick because I gotta run downstairs to get some ice. Do I have anything in here for like Saturday day to just like walk around? I need some flip-flops. Also need some flip-flops to wear around the room, like slipper flip-flops. I feel like, you know, if I just want to throw something on real quick, say we're like, oh, let's just run down to do blah, 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 blah. Like you just want to throw something on. I can throw this on, right? Cute little number. This stuff is getting, listen, this little roly-poly action I'm going ain't really working for me right about now. And then I found this cute little dress. I don't even really know if I should bring this one. What the heck? So I got some workout pants I'm gonna throw in here. I mean, how much working out can we do in a matter of 3 days? Yeah, I'm gonna throw this on with it. Okay, and then bra and panties. How about that? Think we're gonna need those? I'm gonna bring 3 bras and this little thing I'm gonna show you. Remember these little like, you know, Amber Rose kind of push up things in the middle? So I'm gonna bring that. Literally, it's that's it. I'm gonna bring that because I might need that for, who knows? Underwear and a couple bras, okay? And it takes us to the next day day 3, which is like, I'm gonna wear those shorts maybe. I'm probably gonna grab another pair of jeans shorts and like a little t-shirt or a tank top or whatever. I have like 55 pair of cutoffs. I did not pack like right at all. These are probably my favorites though. They feel like they fit just right. Yes, so I'll bring those. These make my butt look flat, so we're definitely not bringing those. Obviously, I need to do jewelry. And look at these cute. Remember I got these from, who did I get these from? Target, my Target box. Remember these? Bringing them. My Toiletries. I am locked and loaded. I'm throwing a couple shapers in here and everything. We're bringing shapers. So as far as my toiletries go, I have 2 things of toiletries. Do not ask me why. And this doesn't even include makeup. So I probably could consolidate a lot of this. Like, why is there a button? Like, am I gonna be like sewing something? Here's what we got for toiletries. So I got like some eye patches, toothbrush, shower caps, this little micellar cleansing water. I have my toner in here. Vaseline intensive care for my lips. Can't even see the thing on that anymore. Some perfume. Juliet has a gun. Love her. Love Juliet. Simple cleansing face wipes to wipe off makeup. Obviously, you need your little body splash, toothpaste, all that kind of stuff. What are these? Oh, eye cream. Okay. I must really plan on doing it up. And this one I have like a little mud mask, gravel masks I'm gonna bring along. So this is that glow. It's a face and body spray, but you like literally glow. So I'm excited about that. Cotton balls. You already know. Black Girl sunscreen. Lysol spray. I have another mask. Actual mask, sleep mask. Some wet ones to clean the toilets with. And that is going to be it. So here is, this is way too much. And then I really need to only have 2 pair of shoes in here. So I really need to get another pair of shoes in here. So I'm going to do that. And then, I feel like that's it. I don't know. I'm going to go through and see what else I feel like I might need. I'm literally going to overpack like crazy. And that's okay. I need to be okay with that. What's my girlfriend say to me the other day? She was like, it's better to have and not need than need and not have. Am I missing anything? I got pajamas, so I still need to put a pajama. Oh my God, I'm gonna have no room. I need my sneakers because if we might go on a excursion. I'm not even talking about my like throw on sneakers that are cute. I'm talking about my like, we about to go for a hike sneakers. I need a pair of shoes for that dress. I need to do this hair. I think that is it, babes. I feel like I have a couple kimonos that I'm gonna bring. A couple kimonos I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna bring this one. I got this off of I think I got this from my Amazon or something. But I got this cute little kimono, so I'm gonna bring this for sure. I feel like I'm really close to being done packing, but I have to repack this bag because this did not work. Okay, for the most part, I feel like we have everything. Okay, am I missing anything? Okay, Faye, so I think that is it. Looks like we got everything. My room is a disaster, but everything is done and in and ready to rock and roll. Stay tuned because you are going with me to Mexico. So we're all gonna go together. Yay! We're gonna have so much fun. So we're gonna go meet the girls tomorrow morning at the airport, and Viva Mexico. We are on our way. So if you are not already subscribed to this channel, I ask that you hit that little red button below for me. Thank you. You can follow me on my day-to-day highlights. Instagram is living_for_the_city. Facebook, Living for the City 77. And I think that is it. Let's go to Mexico. Let's do this, baby.